Good morning to everybody. I am Subi from Emmanuel Arasar JJ College of Engineering. Today I am going to discuss about digital image processing. First, image. What is meant by image? An image is a 2D representation of 3D scene. It is defined as a 2D function represented as f of xy, where x and y are spatial coordinates. Digital image, representation of the original image by a discrete set of data points. Digital image processing, processing digital images by means of a digital computer. Pixels denotes the elements of a digital image. These elements are called image elements or pixels. Intensity or brightness maps the number of pixels at each gray level present in the image. In an 8-bit grayscale image, the pixels values ranges from 0 to 255, where 0 represent black and 255 for white. Analog to digital conversion. To create digital image, the continuous scene data should be converted into digital form. This involves two processes, sampling and quantization. Sampling, the sampling rate determines the spatial resolution of the digitized image, while the quantization level determines the number of gray levels in the digitized image. Quantization, the transmission between continuous values of the image function and its digital equivalent is called quantization. Then advantages of digital images: ability to enhance the quality of images used in the fields of medicine to improve the accuracy of diagnosis. The processing of images is faster and cost effective. Copying an image is easy, which the image is a digital form. Reproduction of image is faster and cheaper. Used in creative application such as video editing, graphic design, etc. Disadvantage of digital images: complexity requires a lot of mathematical knowledge and expertise. The equipments and software used for processing images can be expensive. Time-consuming process. The memory required to store and process good quality image is very high. Quality of the image degrades if not done properly. Why do we need image processing? Improvement of pictorial information for human perception. Enhance the quality of image for better work. Application of image processing. Medicine. Techniques like image segmentation and pattern recognition is used digital to identify by tumors. Remote sensing, it uses remote observation to make useful inference about a target. Communication. Advancement in the technology helps that information can be easily transmitted through the internet. Automatives, that fantastic development in the automotive section in night version system. It helps to identify obstacles during night time to avoid accident. Then fundamental stuff in image processing. It is the first process in digital image processing. Acquisitions could be as simple as being given an image that is already in digital form. Generally, the acquisition stage involves pre-processing such as scaling. Then image enhancement. After acquisition based on the application, it's required to enhance certain features present in the image. Image enhancement can be classified into two categories: spatial domain, another one frequency domain. Spatial domain, it is direct manipulation of pixel on the image. Frequency domain, technique based on modifying the Fourier transform of an image. Then image restoration. Restore image that is not looking good due to some distortion, that is noise. It is an objective process as it deals with mathematical models. Color image processing, it is the area that has been gaining importance because of the significant increases in the use of digital image. Color is used as the base for extracting feature of interest in an images. Wavelets and multi-resolution process. Wavelet is the basic of representing image in various degree of resolution. It is used for image data compression and pyramidal representation. This is foundational for image pyramids and efficient data compression. Then image compression. It deals with the techniques for reducing the storage space required to save an image. Also reduce bandwidth required for transmission of image. In morphological processing, it deals with the tools for extracting image components that are useful in the representation and description of shape. In this stage, the input and output of images, partitioning image into its constituent part or objects. This is often considered the most critical step, as isolating regions make subsequent analysis possible. In image segmentation, in this stage the images are converted into small segments so that it is easy to extract more accurate information present in the image. If the segments are properly classified into autonomous, then the representation and the description of image will be accurate. It is rugged segmentation, then the result will not be accurately. Then representation description, it follows the output of a segmentation stage. Representation makes a decision whenever the data should be represented on a boundary or as a complete region. There are two types of representation: boundary representation, then regional representation. First one, boundary representation, focus on external shape characteristics such as corner and inflection. Regional representation focus on internal properties such as shape, then translating segmented recognized boundaries into forms suitable for computer processing, extracting quantities attributes, shape or length. Recognition, it is a process that acquires levels to an object based on its descriptors. Then knowledge base, after that last one, the software that helps us useful proper image enhancement, restoration, segmentation, etc. Then components of digital image processing. Sensor, two elements are required for sensing to acquire digital images. The physical device that is sensitive to the energy radiated by the object. The digiter is the device used for converting the output into digital form. Specialized image processing hardware. It consists of hardware and a digitizer which performs primitive operations such as ALU. ALU means arithmetic logic unit. That performs arithmetic and logic operation. This type of systems are sometimes called front-end subsystems. In computer, it is a general purpose computer, ranges from a PC to a supercomputer. Software, it is consists of a specialized models that performs specific tasks. It has the facility to write code using specialized models. The image processing using programming language. Mass storage, it is a image processing application. The digital storage for image process. Three categories: short term, online storage, archival storage. First one, short term storage, computer memory. Online storage, magnetic task or optical models. Archival storage. Storage is measured in bytes, KB, MB, GB, TB. Image display. It is used mainly in color TV monitors. The outputs of image and graphics display cards are the integral part of the computer systems. Hard copy. It is used for recording images, includes cases, printers, films, camera, heat sensitive device, etc. Networking. It is a mode of default function in computer system because of the large amount of data in even in image processing application. Thank you.